Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to make a crochet Christmas tree ornament. For this pattern we will need 3 color of yarns and one 2.5 crochet hook. Let us start. First I am taking green color for base. So make a magic circle or magic ring and make 1 2 3 chain. Count as a first double crochet stitch. Make 5 more double crochet stitch in this circle. 2 3 4 5 and 6. And tight it. Then make 3 chain for next round. Make 3 chain. Count as a first double crochet stitch and turn your work and make 1 more double crochet in the same stitch or space. I have made 2 double crochet stitch in the very first stitch and go to the next stitch and make 2 double crochet stitch. You repeat this 2 double crochet stitch in each stitch in this round. Total we have 12 double crochet stitch in second round. For third round make 3 chain. Count as a first double crochet stitch and make 1 more double crochet in the same stitch. Now I am making only one double crochet in the next stitch, and then I am going to the next stitch. This is the third stitch of this round. Make 2 double crochet stitch in the same space, then 1 double crochet, then 2 double crochet in the same stitch, and you repeat the same stitch in this round. 2 DC, 1 DC, then 2 DC, then 1 DC. I have finished 3 lines. Then fourth round I make 3 chain. Count as a first DC stitch and 1 more DC in the same stitch. Then make 1 DC next stitch, then 1 DC in the next stitch, then 2 DC in the next stitch. You repeat the same pattern in this round. 2 DC, 1 DC, 1 DC, then 2 DC. Then next round make 3 chain. Count as a first double crochet stitch, 1 more double crochet stitch in the same stitch, and then make 1 DC in the next stitch, next 1 DC, the next 1 DC, the next for 2 double crochet. Make 2 DC, 1 DC, 1 DC, 1 DC, then 2 DC. This is the last round. Make 3 chain. Count as a first double crochet, then 1 more double crochet stitch in the same stitch, then 1 DC, the next, then 1 DC in the next, 1 DC in the next, then 1 more times 1 DC in the next, then make 2 DC in the next. You repeat this same pattern in this round. This is a last round. I have completed my green color round. This is a 5 rounds. Now I am attaching white color yarn for border. So make one slip stitch, then one chain, then go to the next stitch with slip stitch, then one chain, go to the next stitch and make one slip stitch, then one chain, make one slip stitch in the next stitch. You repeat the same pattern in this round. For star pattern, make magic ring and make 4 chains, 1 2 3 and then 4, and then I am going to the second stitch of this second chain from my hook, make one single crochet stitch, and then go to the next stitch with one half DC stitch. Then I am going to the next stitch with one single crochet stitch or slip stitch, and then I am going to the ring and make one single crochet stitch and make 1 2 3 4 chain, and go to the second stitch from my hook and make one single crochet, then one half double crochet, and then one single crochet or slip stitch, and then going to the ring and make one single crochet, and you repeat it in the 5 times. And this is a star pattern for beginners, very easy to make. Thank you. Fold it in 2 ways. Thanks for watching my video, and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for easy pattern, and please like my video and comment in my video, and please watch my full tutorial in YouTube channel, and please like my Facebook page, The Crochet World, for new pattern, new and easy pattern. And thanks for watching. Thank you.
वैसे नहीं लिख के लिखा, वैसे नहीं होता है। पेंसिल लाओ, इरेजर लाओ, लेके आओ। पढ़ने बैठा है, मजाक बना है। जैसा स्कूल वैसे ही तुम है, समझा? स्कूल और तुम में कोई फर्क नहीं है। फिर नया कॉपी पेज निकाला, पुराना पेज में लिखो, जहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है पहले से। जगह खाली है तो वहीं लिखो, बर्बाद मत करो। चलो जल्दी करो। पेंसिल कहाँ? बीच में कोई कैपिटल लेटर नहीं आना चाहिए, एकदम अच्छा होना चाहिए, देखने से लगना चाहिए जो हाँ स्टैंडर्ड का बच्चा कोई लिखा है, समझे?
ग्राउंड लिख दिया। बोल के लिखो। लिखा ना।
राउंड
राउंड।
पेंसिल लिखना है। पेंसिल क्या हुआ? बोले थे ना वो पेंसिल यूज करो, बिना